Wake up, A cup, get your tits up in my makeup, face fuck, get your bake up. Fake blood, fake tough, niggas dicks up, put your sticks up for the motherfucking princess. Rates up, jigs up, put your dicks up, get your dicks up, put your motherfucking sticks up. They suck, that's tough, nigga, pay up, get your rates up for the motherfucking princess.
What's going on, beautiful people? Today is Monday. No, today is Sunday. Today is Sunday the 5th. Happy Easter, happy resurrection. I am in these streets. I'm actually about to grab me something to eat. It is a little bit after 6. I kind of been bed rotting lately, and I need to get myself out of the rut. So let me get out of the house, grab me something to eat. Been craving a Whopper. Now, I know Whoppers ain't the best thing to eat when it comes down to like fast food, but right now I don't feel like cooking, for one, and for two, I just need something quick, easy, and suffice, and I want a hamburger. And a Whopper will do me just fine. So I ordered the Whopper for 2, the Whopper Juniors for 2, and it's the BLT peppercorn Whopper with the peppercorn aioli. I'm gonna try that. It also comes with like the bacon bits, tater tots, whatever, some fries. I did the half-seas and 2 drinks, but both of them, the drinks are for me. I'm not sharing. There's nobody else that's eating with me. I'm eating by myself. This is for me. But I'm hungry. This is the first thing that I'm eating today in general. So why not just enjoy a good hearty meal like a Whopper Junior. Yeah. Let me go and pick that up. There's like literally one that's like about 3 miles away from my home. I do need to go to the Dollar Tree. I need some cough medicine because I refuse to be sick. I refuse to get sick, and I refuse to be sick. And I feel like I'm coming down with something, but I'm literally trying my best to fight it with every fiber or being in my soul. So I was able to snag and get my hands on the limited edition denim Chanel Le Cream packaging. I did purchase the Le Cream Main Texture Reach because I have drier hands than normal, but I want to put this on a keychain. You see the vision? I want to put it on a keychain and have this carried with me. This is my first Chanel product, by the way, y'all. My first purchase of a Chanel product. It's not my first Chanel product in general. Just my first time buying Chanel. Hi, I have a mobile order.
What's that?
So I got my food. I went to Dollar Tree as well too. Got some cough drops. So there's another reason why I wanted to get on here and talk and yap a little bit. Remember a couple of vlogs ago, I told you guys that I might have something exciting going on in my life within the next couple of weeks, a couple of months, whoop de whoop de whoop. Well, so happily, you ever heard that saying, you fly too close to the sun? Like, I spoke that into existence. So I am actually casted for a TV show. Yes. So I'm casted for a TV show. I actually leave in like 3 days, 4 days. So when you're watching this vlog, I'm most likely probably already there. It's not a popular show, but it has got a lot of like publicly crazed around it. Like, a lot of people talk about the show. How can I say this? I'm filming for the next up and coming season that's coming out, and I'm super excited to do this because, one, I bet it on myself. I told myself that, yeah, being on TV once was cool. It was a short-lived dream. Things didn't pan out right, but I'm glad I didn't go all the way through with it, or I'm glad that, that was a short-lived situation because of the outcome that is currently going on with not only the group, but the groups. But being that you can't even watch none of that TV show anywhere unless you have like them DVD recorded type of vibes or VCR recorded type of vibes. Like, you cannot find that show nowhere on social media. You cannot stream that show nowhere because, one, the music that they had on it was copyright, so the company can't put it on streaming services and pay royalty on those songs, for one. And then for two, the person who was hosting the show is considered a detrimental person to society currently. The man done some crazy things. That's all I can say. But one, I'm glad I didn't get all the way through with it. Two, I was glad I was able to experience it, getting past not only my city, but getting an opportunity to go to New York and do a little bit something there. But ultimately, got eliminated from it. And I was like, okay, well, I done TV, I done reality TV show. I'm good, I'm done. Thank you. Wash my hands. Doom, doom, doom. So yeah, I'm going on a TV show. Got casted for a TV show. I took a chance on myself. I betted on myself. And that's one other thing I want to tell you guys, to take a chance on yourself, bet on yourself, because you never know what the outcome may be. I not only done it once, I done it twice. I betted on myself. I put my wholehearted effort into something, threw it out into the universe, and it has came back to me not once, but twice. The first time was when I took a bet on myself with this whole makeup career, and I ended up getting a part of the Sephora Squad when it first announced, and being the first African-American boy, black boy, to be in the makeup sector. Not fragrance, not hair, makeup. I was in the makeup sector, like putting on makeup on camera, full glam. I was the first black boy to do that for Sephora, with Sephora Squad. That was 2019 to 2022. I was on that squad for that long. Now I'm betting on myself, and I'm getting on TV, and I'm going to be filming for this TV show where I could win a large lump sum of money. Now, I'm not having the money will be a plus, but just betting on myself and saying that I'm capable of doing it and able of doing it is what I'm just trying to say in this nutshell. Bet on yourself. Bet on yourself. Especially if there's something that you're interested in doing, or something that seems interesting to you, bet on yourself, because you never know who or what or how things are going to be perceived. You don't know who's watching you, what's going on around you, and how things are going to be perceived. And I think that's something for me that I bet on myself. And I was like, well, if I make it, whoop-de-doo. I'm getting on this show. I'm going to Cardi B the hell out of it. I'm going to K Michelle the hell out of it. I'm going to spin it to where I become super memorable, that these people have to A, invite me back, or B, enjoy my personality and make America love me. So if you're watching this and you're here before everything blows up, and if I'm able to do what I'm supposed to do, and we get to where the squad is just unfuckwittable, I'm just saying, I love that for us. I love that for y'all. I love that for me. Y'all my A1 day ones. Y'all been here from the jump. I appreciate y'all. But it's grind season. It's time to grind. I got things I gotta pay off. I got people I need to take care of. I got things that I want in life, a vision and a lifestyle that I dream for and want. I can't do this without y'all, for one. And then for two, I can't do this for free and expect it to be handed to me. So I got to get out here and I got to grind. So this is just me just saying, bet on yourself. Don't mind the hustle. Hustle hard and reward yourself at the end of the day. Treat yourself to whatever you need to treat yourself to. Make sure that you are being treated the way you want to be treated. I'm about to go and head inside of this house before I turn up on somebody else, because I don't get how these three cars don't live on this side of the complex, but they're always constantly parking right here in front of my building, taking up 3 spots from people who actually live here in this building. That's what really pissed me off the most. They need to do assigned parking, for one, and then for two, they owe me $35. This apartment complex owe me $35. They're gonna have to see me Monday morning. Thank you. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm not gonna hold y'all up, but today is Thursday the 9th. I leave tomorrow for my special trip. And I am out here searching for a travel adapter at this next location that I'm about to walk into. Because I just left Ace Hardware over in Toka Hill, and on their website they say they have them, but they're completely sold out. So now I'm on the hunt, going to the Walgreens on La Vista Road to see if they have an adapter, and hopefully I can get my hands on that, because I gotta have something. I got to have something. I'm over here at the Oak Groves area, La Vista Road area, and I need to go in here and get out in that order. All right, y'all, let's go inside. See if I'm able to find what I need.
Customer service needed at the photo counter.
All right, so I found what I'm looking for. Got the adapter, but I need, it's $15, $14 and some change. I just needed to hit, I need to hit 20 so I can get $5 back. So I need to find some other stuff that I may need for this trip. So let's see.
Photo counter.
Let's see what I need. I know you're probably wondering, like, okay, this is a random situation, Niko. Where you going? Well, I'm currently in New Jersey, Newark Airport, EWR. I am on my way to Ireland. Yes, I am on my way to Ireland for an excursion. So, yeah, that's why I'm here. And hopefully I come back with that money. But nevertheless, I think that this is an experience for me. I won't probably be vlogging this whole situation. Hopefully things work out in my favor. But nevertheless, this is an opportunity that I did not want to miss. This is an opportunity that I felt like would be a cool thing to do. So I'm taking this opportunity. I'm about to board my flight in an hour and 30 minutes. It is a 6-hour flight, and we're going to Shannon, Ireland. I'm excited. Never been to Ireland, so kill two birds with one stone. Never been to Ireland and never done this type of situation as well. So hopefully I get a chance to partake in some local activities. But not only that, just getting a chance to be able to experience Ireland some kind of way. But I'm gonna hop off of here because I'm going to eat. I got a burger from Custom Burger and just a little purified water, some ice from Starbucks. I'm gonna edit vlog number 27 while I'm sitting here waiting for my flight to board. It is across the way, but I chose to sit here because there's nobody over here. So let me go ahead and do that. I'm gonna hop off of here and I'll see you guys in a little.
Nasty, nasty. Is somebody gonna match my freak? Is somebody gonna match my freak? Is somebody gonna match my nasty? I got stamina, they say I'm an athlete. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty, nasty. Big time, pull up, make a scene. Party's lame, no vibe, we can leave. Shotgun, my thighs on the seat. I ain't got nothing underneath. Looks like you better send a 9. Looks like I'm about to change your life. Wife type, he's staying for a week, so I might just let him pay the lease. If you keep up with me, I'll keep on coming back. If you do it too good, I'm gonna get attached. 'Cause it feels like heaven when it hurts so bad. Baby, put it on me. I like it just like that, just like that. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, just like that. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty, nasty, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty, nasty. Match my freak. I've been a nasty girl. Shake it, and if you hear this song, then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. And if you hear this song, then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Don't got to fear, number one in command. I came just to kill me ain't too militant. They want figure eights, but I don't need a man. So they love how me wine, they make true religion. You dealing with the body, of course. Oh, you dealing with the boss. If we break up, yeah, you know that it's a loss. Upgraded every dude I ever touched. And if you hear this song, then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. And if you hear this song, then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please
know for tick, me know for top, yeah. Man, I watch my body like say them, I watch a match, yeah. Anything him say them, girl, I do it like it's hot. My bank want the money like the currency when we trap. I know anybody can touch this. Baby, I am not a hoe. Rice and peas, body hotter than a love. I feel big a taste anyway, you see my paws.
And if you hear this song, then go and bend your back. Go and bend your knees to be shaking to the max. With the DJ please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. And if you hear this song, then go and bend your back. Go and bend your knees to be shaking to the max. With the DJ please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.
Exploring the city while I got some free time. It is so cold out here, y'all. Too cold. I'm gonna leave this.
Spend it on me, I love when you spend it on me. Don't tell me I be having Givenchy before my life.